Family have Biki today and I did not know that there was Biki. And then I went over to my parents yesterday and they were like, oh, mit Bikaya. I was like, sorry? He was complaining the whole way through.
I don't like to come to do this stuff, you know. It's boring for me.
It's not meant to be fun, honey. Do you just expect to eat dinner? Do you understand where the food comes from? No. Somebody has to come and get them. We get a balcony. Oh my god, we get a balcony.
If you wanna eat some ice cream, there's an ice cream car here. We should do my workout, guys, for the night.
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so annoyed. The battery's freaking low. Let me check if I have a spare one in here. So it's a Friday. Yay! Long weekend here in Canberra.
Why are you trying to record me for?
This guy eats like junk all the time.
People, you want me to come with it to her? I'm gonna sit there.
Okay, so it turns out that the battery was in my bag and Aussie doesn't want to come with me to do my toenails because he just wants to laze around, but every time he wants to go somewhere he always wants me to go to do the talking. I'm like, that is not fair. How come you always want me to go? And I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. So I'm going to go get my blood test done and then I'm going to go and get my a pedicure. And then I was meant to go to the gym, but I'm feeling so tired. So yeah, that's my evening. I'll probably go over to Kayleen and see what they're doing. But Aussie and I are going to Coogee tomorrow, so I'm so excited about that. Our little trip. We'll be staying at the Crown Plaza. And we're really splurging ourselves because our last couple of holidays were cancelled. And so we're just going to spend like 2 days there. And it's going to be a great time. I'm really going to enjoy it. Just pulled up. I hope I don't have to wait that long. That was one of the, if not the most painful blood draws I've ever experienced. Like, it was an inkia. I mean, not to say that doesn't mean anything, but just describing, the lady was an inkia. And I felt like the syringe was so much thicker. It was like trying to shove a bloody pole in my arm. And I screamed out and I said, ow. And she's like, no, that's because you've been fasting. And I'm fasting for the blood test. And then I'm like, no, it's not. Do you know how many I have gotten blood tests? Like probably, I'm not joking you, probably over 50 times in my lifetime. I'm not even kidding. And that was the most painful. I definitely feel like there's going to be a bruise there tomorrow. Anyways, look at me ranting. Guys, I went and did my toes. I ended up going with Aussie. So because we're going away to our Aussie is so freaking loud. He's talking to his boys, his cousins and his nephews and his uncles and whatnot. And anyways, I'm about to go to Aldi so I can do the shopping before we go away because I just want to get it done. I don't want to think about it next week. I just want to get it done. I'm just thinking if I should do it on Tuesday. But, I'm so kind of tired, but actually no, I'm not. That's a lie. I wake up at like 5. I always wake up at 5 every single day, regardless of whether my alarm goes off. I just wake up at 5. This whole week I've been waking up at 5. And so then I force myself to go back to sleep because I want to give my body enough rest. So I went back to sleep and now I woke up and it's 9 and I'm like, crap. We're meant to be on our way to Sydney at 12. I haven't gone to the farmer's market. I was meant to go to the farmer's market really early, but anyway, yeah, I'm so excited for our little getaway. I'm kind of sad because my family have Biki today and I did not know that there was Biki. Otherwise, I wouldn't have booked. And I booked and paid. And then I went over to my parents yesterday and they were like, oh, mit Bikaya. I was like, sorry? I don't think we're going to get much footage at the farmer's market because we're in quite a bit of a rush. It's so chilly, man. We hardly even got a summer. Hi, baby. You almost run over that man?
can't even see. They come from this side.
Well, don't look at this. Look at the eyes in here.
No, I look at here.
Anyways.
Move your head.
Oh, sorry. We should go that way. Such a nice morning today. Okay, about 30 minutes later, we're back in the car. Ossie was complaining the whole way through. And we've got our bags
I like
there.
to come to do this stuff now, you know? It's boring for me.
It's not meant to be fun, honey.
No.
Do you just expect to eat dinner, and do you understand where the food comes from?
No,
Somebody has to come and get them.
I'm not gonna eat dinner like this stuff. I eat dinner like small dinner, not the big dinner.
Oh, baby, come on. You just eat KFC for dinner every night. Ossie's just quickly gone to return the top that he bought yesterday. But this is honestly the worst part of going to the farmer's market. I dislike this part the most, is coming back and packing up. So this is all that I got. I got lamb neck so we can have like a stew or something, a soup. Then a roast, I want to put that in the slow cooker or chop it up with some cabbage. But yeah, this is pretty much our haul. Finally getting to vacuum the back of the fridge where the rice fell. Oh my gosh, those sounds are so satisfying. All packed and ready to go, guys. Ossie kindly cleaned my car. It's been a long time. Good on you, mate. It's all clean inside. Got our lunch boxes, our smoothies in there, sandwiches. Just moving the Bluebird in to the garage. I'm meant to be on the road already, but whatever. I haven't done my hair because I had a quick shower before I got dressed, but I'm so excited to go. I'm so happy Ossie's driving.
Let's go.
So I made us some lunch so that we didn't have to stop at a takeaway. We got some sandwiches, seaweed chips for me. Ossie said fruit, apple and banana, and my sandwiches down there. And then also got some smoothies in that one. 3 hours later and we are here.
We are here.
Oh my god, we're here.
We here.
Look how beautiful that is.
Look how beautiful that one.
Oh, it's here, Crown Plaza. Just checked in, big boy. This is such a nice place. I love the Crown Plaza. But it's the hotel. I always stand by the hotel. Ew, can you stop? You're cringing me out. Cringy cringe.
Going down.
605.
Shut up, babe. This is so...
So boring.
You're so freaking annoying.
Let's go.
Open. Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Whoa. It's so beautiful, guys. See
We
it?
get a balcony. Oh my god, we get a balcony. So they don't live what you buy, are you? Oh my gosh!
We stay next to the beach, guys. So yeah, it's so beautiful. And this is so amazing. Amazing. Beautiful.
Wow, that's amazing. Look at all those people.
This is so... This is so beautiful.
So guys, I'm just resting. A frog in my throat. Just resting. Feels so good to relax, guys. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. We are so going to that lagoon. I swear my friend told me about this.
Look.
If this is the same one, look how awesome that is. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm like on a health kick at the moment, and I'm gonna try my hardest to stick to it. And Ossie's going to be my support person and help me. Aren't you, Ossie? I'm gonna try so hard because I've been working so hard. Your girl been grinding and working in silence and looking good. So we're probably gonna go for a walk later on. I'm just gonna have a little tiny rest.
We go check the swimming pool.
Let's go check it out. Excuse me, I didn't mean to burp. I'm so sorry. That was so unladylike of me.
You like this?
We're gonna take you guys to see the pool. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's walk out here first. Okay, I'm so sorry for my sound effects, but like, I haven't stayed at a nice hotel for a long time, okay? This is awesome. How nice is this? Let's come for a swim later. Look at that ocean view though, oh my gosh. So this is the swimming pool. How nice is that? It's so beautiful. And then the background is the ocean over there.
That's nice.
Wow, it's so nice. I just sent my sisters the videos of this place. It's amazing. I want to come back here. It's our first few hours here, our first hour here, and I already want to come back. This is so beautiful. You can go down that way. We could go for a walk down that way. Just checking out the gym now. Oh yeah.
Small one, eh?
I mean, does the job. Yeah. We'll come here tomorrow morning. I'll go on the elliptical. What do you think?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh wow, it is nice. Oh babe, come on. Pretty nice, guys. Goes straight for the big ones. Straight for the big ones. Straight to work, buddy. Just going for a short stroll around the area. You guys can come if you want.
Yeah. What a beautiful beach here, guys. Wow.
Come behind me. Look how lovely these views are. That's like a little lagoony swimming pool thingy there. Can't wait to go there tomorrow. Let me Google it. Oh look, they have a takeaway over there if you want.
So beautiful here, guys. So beautiful. Did you enjoy your time here?
So nice, so beautiful.
So nice, guys.
Arden
If you wanna eat some ice cream, there's an ice cream car here.
There's a Uelese here.
Are there?
So straight off the bat, we already know that Coogee is a place of bars. There's just like bars everywhere. Bars, pubs, all of that everywhere. So we're on the hunt to look for a Uelese. Apparently it's up ahead. Oh, I need a beach towel. This is nice. Oh my gosh. They got like a lot of American what do you say?
Do I look like Bruno Mars?
Yeah, for sure. They got a lot of American stuff here. Apple Jacks.
Whoa.
Cookie crisps. And they've got Reese's Puffs. Oh my gosh. Super cool. I've never had this cereal before.
Can you see, guys?
Looks like a nice yummy chicken place.
Welcome to my place, guys. Welcome to my village. I'll introduce everything here. So this is Chachio.
Chachio.
This is Chachio. So if you want some whatever food, let me know.
Okay.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Keep going.
Lean's nails. If you want to do your nails and your pedicures, so yeah, you got some lean nails here. And also we're gonna sponsor you if you want to stay here. So keep coming. There's more here.
Okay.
We got some flowers here. Flowers everywhere. And you know, guys, This is my small village. We got some little Uelese here, just little ones. So enjoy the rest of your shopping.
Okay, thank you. Kalea kaka kikiro mai if fingela ya va pole ronal mere kalea. Oh my gosh, a new flavor. Oh my gosh. Please. Yummy. Oh my gosh, look at that mac and cheese.
Now I get my food for free, so I enjoy tonight.
Belloya. Belloya. Yak mga ba yak tap the card ay. Gusto nga tap for free low card.
I tap for free look card. I'm gonna tap by the fabrica card. I'm that big.
Loving these holiday vibes. Ka uwa nga kikiro maluki. I love that wood lucky. Ma you foot yaka. No, that's ugly, babe. Just going for a quick workout to the gym. Just felt like going to the gym tonight. Alright guys, I'm gonna do my workout and hopefully you guys don't laugh at me. Just finished gym guys. Fick järfä afuuden on swongi.
High five.
You girl's a skinny girl now. Guys, we're gonna go out for a little bit of dinner, so we're gonna end off the vlog. Thank you so much for coming along with us today.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Before we end it, we just want to do a quick comment of the day because we haven't done that in a long time. Okay, so this one's a long one. I haven't read it yet, but it's from Ata Mikaele. It's coming up on the screen, so pause to read it because Aussie's in a, big rush to get out there. And Aussie, who do you pick? This one?
Malupo, making memories.
Malupo's making memories.
Yeah.
So yeah, shout out to you guys. We love you guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and yeah. SV Squad signing out.